Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm making a YouTube video after I think 4-5 days and that's not good. Yeah, it's Sunday and we are heading out for lunch right now. We are meeting Rishali for lunch and post that we have to go to Lokhandwala for some stuff and then we're going to Ankush's birthday party. I don't know if you all remember, but Ankush is my house helps baby in the last house that we were staying. He's literally been with us since he was 1 month old and today he completes 1 year. So we've literally seen him grow and now he's become so big. So we are going for his birthday and yeah, so I am excited. Might go to Rayo's place after because we'll finish early, so if Rayo's at home we might go there, but that's a plan for today. So for now I'm all ready and I'm heading out with Mo for lunch. I'm gonna eat my favorite sushi today. So yeah, see you. Hi, lunchtime. Hi, what happened to you? Why do you look so sleepy? Are you tired?
Yes. Not at all.
Very true.
I'm just hungover, yeah. I had
You can say it out loud.
Yeah, I had a little too much yesterday.
It's okay.
Not a lot of people don't know that I drink. People know I drink. I had a little too much yesterday and it's too early, you know, today.
It's too early.
That we've woken up and come here.
You woke up normally. I woke up early. Okay? शादी कब हो रहा है? We want to know शादी कब है? जल्दी. मैं तो चाहती हूँ कल ही हो जाए. और cute. हर्ष को पता चला. हर्ष से पूछते हैं.
हर्ष है कहाँ?
है कहाँ?
कहाँ है?
कहाँ है?
कौन?
Say where is he?
मोहित को पता है.
तू बने रोटी.
So we finished lunch and then we came to Shai's house because I had to return some
I didn't
stuff.
finish any lunch. Not even started my lunch.
You didn't eat anything because you had breakfast just before leaving for lunch. That is so weird. So now we are going to Lokhandwala because we have to, like I said, it's Ankush's birthday and we have to go there. So we're going to go see if we get something for him. Also I have to change my phone cover because my side button car thing is broken completely and it's also become, I don't know what color this is only, like brown, yellow, I don't know what color is this, so I'm gonna get to change that. We've come to buy for Ankush. These are so cute.
हम लोग तो कल बोला हूँ. बोल नहीं बोल
फिट होगा बाबू.
It's for 1.5 years, man.
कार्ड दे ना इनको फोन कर आया तो.
और ये 1.5 साल के बच्चे का.
ले लो फिर क्या.
हाँ, ऐसे बड़ा तो लग रहा है.
We are going now. Where are we going?
Kush's birthday.
We have a gift and we're going to his house. We've told Didi to come pick us up from the signal because we don't know exactly where they stay. But yeah, we're going to reach in I think 15-20 minutes. And we'll see Ankush. Ankush! Hi!
अरे मामा.
कैसे हो भाई?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
कैसे हो?
कोट पहनेगा मामा, आज कोट पहनेगा.
बच्चा
आज अंकु 1 साल का होगी ना मामा. शाबाश.
और लोग सूट पहने दीदी.
खड़ो.
कैंसिल हो गए. लाओ भाई होगा तो लगा दे दो पापा.
Where's the bow gone? इधर हाथ दो. जल्दी हाथ दो.
उल्टा दिया दो हैंड.
हाथ दो. अरे हाथ दो भैया, हाथ दो.
कितना खुश है दीदी.
हाथ दो भैया. कोट सूट पहने आज. हाथ दो भैया. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? हाँ, इधर बात कर रहे हैं अभी तुमसे.
भाई देखो.
गाइस. हो गया. आजा.
ठीक कर दो.
एक सेकंड
कॉलर
ये विकास का दोस्त है, बहुत अच्छा, मतलब एकदम घर के जैसे।
अंकु
आके दोनों जन काम पे
मुर्गी
भाभी बुला रही थी, नहीं जाना, देखो ये ले लिया था जब गया था सुबह।
हम तुमको मुर्गी बुला रहे तो बकरी का आवाज निकाल रहे, क्या बात हुआ?
कितना क्यूट है ये। मेरा भी बर्थडे पार्टी बचपन में ऐसे ही होता था। हाँ एकदम। ओए ओए लो।
हमारा कभी नहीं हुआ, इसलिए हम अपने बच्चों को खाली नहीं जाने देते, जितना
अच्छा
क्योंकि हमारा कभी नहीं हुआ।
ऐसे ही करता था हम लोग। हमारी मामा
बस एक कैंडल ना अल्लाह से। अब राहुल को यही लाना था भाई, लेके आए हैं ढूंढ के।
ओ राजा जी।
ओए ओए
नहीं सही ढूंढना ना भाई।
हर चीज चटने का थोड़ी होता है। कहाँ गया? हाथ खाली कर चला ला।
अंकु अंकु
मेरे को
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Anku.
Happy birthday.
You have to follow that, no? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. हट नहीं करूँगा। Happy birthday to you. मारो मारो दीदी। Happy birthday to you.
मासी का मिट्टी।
Thank you.
लड़की लोग को बहुत पहले देना लगा। मामा कौन देगा? मामा कौन देगा? I love you.
Bye. Bye.
हाँ।
Chalo, bye. Bye, Didi. Hi guys, so I got back home. From there we went to Rayo's house. We chilled for a while. AK came, Shai came, Saikat was there, Sapan was there. So it was like a full Calcutta group. Now AK is also part of this Calcutta group because now she understands Bengali. She understands everything that we talk. So now she's become a part of this Calcutta group only. So I would not say the Calcutta group plus AK. I would say the entire Calcutta group was there. And it was nice. It was fun. We laughed so much, talking about like the past, few stories and stuff. But yeah, then we got home and I'm gonna go take off my makeup now and go to sleep because it's 1 o'clock. And yeah, I mean, it was a very tiring day but an eventful day. I absolutely loved the birthday party. It was so cute and it's just so nice to see, you know, them doing so much for Ankush. Like they could easily say, oh, he's just one, he doesn't understand anything and stuff, but they took that effort to throw that party with whatever they had, and it was such a beautiful, such a sweet, such a homely party where all these little kids from the locality came and, you know, reminded me of my birthday party when I was a child, when we used to give out chips and chanachur and cakes in like these paper plates to everybody in the building. It was very, very cute. And happy birthday to Ankush once again. I'm gonna go sleep. Tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow I have to shoot. I have to shoot a lot with AK. But before that I have to hit the gym because I'm a gym girl now. And I didn't go to the gym today. I skipped gym. But tomorrow is gym day. And then post that I'll shoot for YouTube and for Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram. Follow me on YouTube for daily vlogs. And thank you so much. Love you guys. Please like, share and subscribe.